video, we're gonna fix the chair that I'm sitting on.
Nice. Okay, so just to be a little bit more specific about what we're doing with the stool Kaleb was sitting on, is we're going to be changing these felt pads because we recently had our floor done and we don't want it to get scratched, right, Kaleb?
Yeah, because we barely dusted the floor.
So what's the problem that we have with these?
These keep getting off.
They keep falling off, right?
Like this.
Yeah, so like just like that one.
And this one doesn't have it.
So we completely lost this one. So we had put these pads on. This is plastic. It's got a nail, and we nailed them down. And then these felt pads are supposed to stick to this plastic, but
they didn't have enough stick.
they don't have enough glue, or the glue is just not right. And when you slide on it, they just fall off. It's just a really bad quality. So we're going to be installing a different kind, and we want to show you how to do that. Okay, so these are the tools and materials that we need. Tell us what we have here, Kaleb. What's the first one?
Mallet.
Mm-hmm.
Driver bit.
Yeah, impact drive. Or
Special screwdriver.
well, it's a Phillips screwdriver, right? We call it special because Kaleb inherited it, but it says Phillips screwdriver. What else?
5-in-1 tool, scissors, and this.
Scissors and these are the new pads that we found. These screw on, so it should hold a lot better. And this drill bit, we're not going to use it in this video, but I'm going to show you later on where you might need it if you are doing this from scratch. Okay, so we're going to begin with this corner piece here. And what I need to do is slightly pry it, and then I'm just going to get it started, and then Kaleb's going to pry the rest of it. So we're going to be using the 5-in-1 tool to do this. There's a couple other ways of doing it, but this is Kaleb's favorite tool.
We're going to hammer the back.
Let's just use the mallet. And it just gets it started, and then I'm going to hand it over to Kaleb, and he's going to do the rest. You want to use that part? You need to pull it up a little, pry it up a little bit more, buddy. There we go. It's coming off. And then he switches the side because he likes to use that part. Lift it up. There you go. Try to lift it up with your hands now. You might be able to lift it. No? Keep the gloves on because I don't want you getting poked. Okay, let's try. Pull with me. Pull down. Okay, grab it now. There you go. Okay, and just to give you guys a little bit of a preview of what that looks like, as you can see there's a little hole there. That's what we're going to use to drill down these new pads. And this is where I was saying, if you are starting from scratch and you have your chair and it doesn't have any holes on it, you want to drill what's called a pilot hole. So this likely for parents. So this is a 1/16 bit, and you drill a pilot hole. That way your screw has somewhere to go to, and it's not splitting the wood. So that's why I said you might need this. We don't, because we had previously done this before we installed these pads here. You see how it's got that nail there? We were able to drive this down, but again, we're going to be switching these. Okay, so now we are going to screw this on this hole.
You mean drill this on?
Well, right. I'm going to get it started, and then Kaleb's going to do the rest. Okay. Yeah, do it slowly. Keep going. Yeah. Yeah, just like that. Keep going. Okay, maybe you went a little far, but okay, that's what you do. And then I usually just take a screwdriver just to make sure it's tight. Yep, it's tight. And that's all that you do. Now we're going to do the other 3. Okay, so we're all done. We've replaced all 4 pads on the stool here.
Now we're gonna check it out.
Now we're going to check it off. And we're done.
See you in the next video.
Thanks, everybody.
Bye.
Please subscribe.
Bye.